Assalamu alaikum every beautiful souls. Today we're going to learn about the inspirational story of Raat Muhammad al-Kurdi. He is one of the most successful Quran reciter of all time with his beautiful voice and incredible talent in delivering Quranic verse. But interestingly, did you all know it was a special gift from his father that led him to be who he is now? What was the gift? To know more, let's begin the story of Raat Muhammad al-Kurdi. He was born and grew up in Kirkuk city at Kurdistan, Iraq on April 16, 1991. At a very young age itself, he was so fond of Quran that he used to read it regularly. When he attained 6, a massive change occurred in Raat's life when his dear father brought him a special gift during Eid that switched him completely. Do you know what might it be? It was a cassette tape of Quran reciter Abdul Basit, who was Egyptian Quran reciter and is regarded as one of the best reciters of Quran ever lived. This is how we heard the famous Quran reciter Abdul Basit for the first time. Since then, through his radio, this little boy initiated to listen to the Quran of Abdul Basit, and he was amazed by the voice the Sheikh had. He started to spend most of his time reciting the Quran, either at home or at school. As time passed, he got attached to Sheikh's voice, and the vocal he had also began to improve day by day. After spending most of his time reciting the Quran with a lot of effort and dedication with the love of Allah, his voice tackled the sound just like Sheikh Abdul Basit, which was pretty heartwarming to listen to. Even the school authorities started to choose him every Thursday to recite the Quran. Inspired by the surroundings, he also participated in the contest to recite the Quran. Unbelievably, at the age of 16 itself, he got promoted to lead prayers in masjid. The first time he prayed at Ramadan in Laylatul Qadr, he was frightened. His whole body was shaking, as he says. It was a rare experience for me because it was the first time I prayed for others. The moment he said, Allahu Akbar, all the fear recovered slightly. It was all Allah's blessings to grant him a chance to accept him in this bounty position. Alhamdulillah.
هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو عالم الغيب والشهادة هو الرحمن الرحيم.
Subhanallah, such a mesmerizing voice. Every time I listen to him, my soul shakes. Now, he is 30 years old who inspires the world. He is famous because he is distinguished by his pure and attractive voice in his recitation of Holy Quran, which made him famous in all Arab countries, and his YouTube channel has exceeded 40 million views. His clips and recordings spread all over the world, and he became one of the most important and famous reciters of the Holy Quran. He has a beautiful voice and recites each and every verse of Quran with a great love. For me, his voice gives me smoothness. I listen to him when I'm feeling pain or stress in my heart, and then by listening to his voice, I feel like again being on track of paradise. Now we all can imagine how his hard work, his consistency, most importantly his love for Quran, all of his service purely for Allah have made him what he is today. He is truly a great inspiration for us and the next generation. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept all of his efforts and give him lots of countless blessings upon him and his family, not only in this world but also hereafter. Ameen. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Until then, Assalamu alaikum.
وقال اركبوا فيها بسم الله مجريها ومرساها إن ربي لغفور رحيم وهي تجري بهم في موج كالجبال ونادى نوح ابنه وكان في معزل يا بني اركب معنا ولا تكن مع الكافرين يا بني اركب معنا ولا تكن مع الكافرين قال سآوي إلى جبل يعصمني من الماء قال لا عاصم اليوم من أمر الله إلا من رحم وحال بينهما الموج فكان من المغرقين وقيل يا أرض ابلعي ماءك ويا سماء أقلعي وغيض الماء وقضي الأمر واستوت على الجودي وقيل بعدا للقوم الظالمين